Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of where the Maypen to Mandeville Highway 2000 merges with the Melrose Hill bypass. So on the left, that's the traffic coming up from Porus on the Melrose Hill bypass. And on the right, where you see that car coming down now, that's Highway 2000, the Maypen to Mandeville. And we're going to zoom in a little bit where you're going to see where the traffic merges. So you can see okay, you see? That is why we say this intersection should have been done differently. The traffic coming off the Maypen to Mandeville is 2 lanes, and then they have to suddenly merge. You saw it a while ago. They have to merge suddenly right here. Now they have signs indicating the merge, but the signs, I don't think, give enough time for the drivers to realize that they're merging. And also the way that people drive in Jamaica, I think this intersection should have been constructed different. Now look to the right of the road. Look at the amount of space they have, and actually look at where they have the dirt. I think they intended to have 2 lanes coming off because they dug down the road so much you could easily put another lane on the right and have 2 lanes coming off the highway coming all the way up here, and then they merge into one further up so that the traffic coming off the highway doesn't have to merge at that point. They merge later further down. Now on the left is a Melrose Hill bypass. It's actually 2 lanes coming up, and the 2 lanes merge into one right here, which is fine because that road does not have the amount of traffic that the highway has. So it's fine there, but for the highway they should have had 2 lanes coming all the way up and merging further up. So at this point that we're looking at now, you should have 3 lanes. And look at the space, look at that. Seriously, it's at this, well, let's not say that, but it could have been done different. And there's so much space on the right. That's what I just can't figure out. There is so much space. I don't know, guys, let us know what you think of this intersection. We did a video on it before from the other side showing you the merging signs and actually driving on the road and merging. So now today we're giving you a drone tour so you can see it from above, and you can see there is so much space. I don't know, but at this point the toll road ends. So I don't know who is in charge of this, if it's NROC or NWA, but the toll road ends at this point where the 2 lanes merge into one. And then at this point now where the truck is, that's the Melrose Hill bypass. And the Melrose Hill bypass is not a toll road. Now it is incorporated into the highway because the highway goes all the way to Williamsfield. But from Maypen to this point here, it's 23 kilometers, and that's the toll road. And then from this point here to Williamsfield is 5 kilometers on the Melrose Hill bypass, which is not a toll road. It is still the Melrose Hill bypass. It's just that they are using it as part of the highway because they have upgraded it to 4 lanes. As a matter of fact, if it wasn't for the merging right here at this point, you would not even realize that you came off the highway. That's how the Melrose Hill bypass has been upgraded. And they need more signs indicating the merge, and they also need lights on the side of the road where the merging takes place. They need to put up some lights on the right side of that Jersey barrier. Now the Jersey barrier is essential because it prevents, it would be a bigger disaster if that Jersey barrier was not there. And you see where the Jersey barrier ends? The Jersey barrier should come all the way down to where that solid white line ends in the middle of the road. Now they have it like that. The Jersey barrier is in Maypen by the interchange, and they're much longer. So I think this is something they need to look into. And the police indicated recently that this road does not have, the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway does not have adequate signs. So it's a growing pain, I guess. Hopefully, well, I don't think they're going to look back at this because it's finished. But based on the amount of speed, look at the red dirt to the right of the road. I think they had intended to make this 2 lanes coming off the highway. I don't think they intended for the highway to merge right here. See, again, it just could have been done differently, in my opinion. Guys, let me know what you think. I think it should have had 2 lanes coming all the way up, and the space is there. I think this was changed somewhere along the line. I think they had intended for 2 lanes to come off the highway and go up to further, so that they merge without having to contend with this traffic on the left. See, right there, that red dirt, I think that's where another lane was to be. Just based on how people drive in Jamaica, I think this should have been done different. See the traffic coming up from Porus, and that is the Melrose Hill bypass on the left coming up from Porus. No problem, because it's not as busy. Now you see that car went over the white line. That's why I said the barricade should come up all the way to where that white line ends. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of this intersection now that you have seen the drone view. And do you think they had intended for another lane to be here? Because look at all of that space by the red dirt. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Alright, have a good day.